Confucius says, the superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions. Now, we all know action is important. And I'm sure in this industry, you all know you need to take action all the time. But the question is, how do we take actions on difficult things? The easy things are fine. Every single day, it's easy to have your meals. Every single day, it's easy to watch television. But what about the difficult things? And I want to share with you a study that was done by Catherine Milkman. She's a professor from the University of Pennsylvania. She studies big data and social sciences. And there was a particular research saying that how do we get more people take up immunization or vaccinations? And she found out this amazing discovery. She found out by simply just writing down the place, time, and date of where you're going to get this immunization, it increases the chance of immunization by 50%. That's a huge number, 50%. It's the same with another research on voters, because it's so difficult to vote right now. And in America, they found out by making people write down the exact time, place, and date in order for them to vote, the voter turnout was more than double. And one particular one, we all know is difficult for most people, but it's one of the biggest resolutions of every year, to exercise. And there was a study done in the Journal of Health Psychology stating that your chances of you exercising is double, as long as you put a time and date to it. So this is my tip for you when it comes to building action. You want to have this thing called implementation intention. Simply means this. Basically, you need to schedule your time, date, and method to the specifics. You want to know exactly what you are going to do every single day. And especially all those difficult things when it comes to cold calling, following up, finding new leads, creating social media platforms, branding, all the difficult things, we want to schedule it as quickly as we can, put it into a system, and stick to it no matter what. Just go for it.